right, everyone. In honor of Charlotte's brother's birthday being February 23rd, I'm going to let her do some of these slides.
Okay, perfect.
But we're going to go over the practice quiz.
Okay.
Yeah. And everyone say hi. All right. I hope you're all doing well. Let's go over some of the practice quiz. Some of you, I already went through the first couple, but I'm just going to go through it one. All right, you want to take it away?
Well, okay, well, I don't know how to do this part. So it says. Ready? Okay. Well, this is what you do: is you have to test these.
Speak up.
Test them. -3, -2, 2, and 3. Plus and minus. Then you put the x in the box. Yep, x equals -3. And you put -3, -2, 2, and 3. Lay them down. Okay, wrong numbers. Okay, those ones. And then what you want to do, the first one is you bring the 1 down. Bring it down, and you go 1 times -3, the number in the box. 0 times -3 is, -3. And then -3 times -3, which goes to 9. 5 plus 9 equals 14. 14 times -3 is, what was it? -42? And then -42 times that is -42. And then -42 times -3, go, 126, which equals 90. But 90 does not equal -3. So you go x. Wait, no.
Does not equal
90
0.
it doesn't equal 0. So it goes 90 does not. Nope. You messed it up.
Okay, so let's try -2.
-2. See, this is why I don't like doing this, because it's too much work. So
Okay.
bring the 1 down. Okay. 1 times -2, -2. Bring it down. -2 times -2. Stop. Is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 times -2 is -18. And then it's -18. And then -18 times 2 is 36. That equals 0, my friends. So
We
match.
did it. It's a match.
It's a match.
All right, now we have our depressed equation, right?
Yes.
What's our depressed equation?
Depressed equation is, take it away, Mr. Flower.
Well, if this is our constant, and this is 9, this is -2, and this is 1, constant, x squared, x cubed, so it's going to be?
Oh, that's beautiful.
Uh-huh. You see how we got that?
That's a depressed equation. Next. So you put the 2 in the box. You lay out your other numbers. This is actually kind of fun. And then bring down the 1. 1 times 2 is 2, which is 0. And then 0 again, which is 9. Which is 18, which equals 0. This is easy. X squared plus 9 equals 0.
Okay, so I'm going to skip ahead a tiny bit.
Okay.
X squared plus 9 equals 0.
Okay.
We can solve this by subtracting 9.
Okay. X squared equals -9.
What can we do now?
Which is x squared, square root of x squared equals 3. Wait, square root of 3. It's not 3i, is it not?
It is 3i.
Yes, 3i squared.
Plus or minus 3i.
Ta-da! See, I kind of ate that.
You did, whoops. I went too far.
Okay.
Doesn't let me go back.
Okay.
Alright.
Again. Go. So you put the 1 in the box, and you set it up, press the buttons. I'm mirrored here. Okay, keep going. And you bring the 1 down. Okay, 1 times 1 is 1. -6 plus 1 is -5. -5 times 1 is also -5, which would be 6. Which would be 6 again, which equals 0. I like every time it works out. That's fun.
What's our depressed equation? It's this is our constant. This is x. This is
squared.
X squared. So it's x squared minus 5x.
X squared minus
plus 6.
6. Okay, I'll remember that.
And now we can do the x method.
Which would be 5 and wait. -1 and 5?
No.
5 and -1.
No.
What?
They multiply to
Oh,
6.
3 and 2.
Sort of. You're right.
-3 and 2. -2. Sorry, guys.
So,
I'm having a brain fart moment.
that's okay.
Okay.
So, there we go.
Nice. Can I press it?
Sure. Do you want to do another one?
Yes. According to the rational zeros theorem, what are all the possible rational zeros of x equals 2x cubed minus 45x squared plus 12x minus 7?
Good job.
And then we
Alright.
test these ones,
Do
right?
you know what the rational zero theorem is? The rational root theorem?
I do not.
No. Does anyone here know what the rational root theorem is? Yes.
Dang.
What do we do with the last number and first number? What do we call that formula? P over Q.
Right here, I just forgot what it was
P
called.
over Q.
P over Q.
So what's our P?
Wait, 7, -7.
Yep.
And
And what are
Q,
factors of -7?
we have 1 and 7.
Yep.
And the plus and minus ones. Q is going to be 2, which is 1 and 2.
Perfect. So all of these give us all of our possibilities.
Yep, and then you test all the multiple choice. Hey, I had it right there.
That's
I forgot what
okay.
it's called.
It's
Next.
vocabulary.
How many real solutions does this equation have?
Okay, this one's a little tough. You want me to take this one?
I'll watch you do this.
Okay. Hello again, everyone. I hope you're having fun.
You know what? I got pretty good at that. It was just the first
Yeah.
one where it was really rough.
No, you did great. All right, so this one's a tough one. I did this with most of you. But first, you want to take out your 2x cubed, your greatest common factor. It's taking a second to load the next slide. All right, so our greatest common factor is 2x cubed. So then we, sorry, someone has a question. All right, everyone, so now from here we can actually use the x method. And two numbers that multiply to be -18 and add to be -7 are -9 and 2. So you get x squared minus 9x plus 2, which we can change into this. I'm going to skip ahead on this one because I did with most of you. And I want Gabi to actually help with the next couple.
No.
Yes, see? You're going to be so good. You're going to do such a good job.
No, I look like this.
Okay, we'll edit it later. Probably
Yeah, you
not.
put
Anyway, we get 5 solutions, but the i's aren't real, so it's really 3 solutions. Alright, I can filter you a little bit, but you'll be okay. Alright, Gabi, how are we going to solve this?
I don't know.
Well, here's a polynomial and here's one of its factors.
So?
If we know one of its factors, we can use synthetic to solve, right? Yeah. What's the opposite of x plus 2, or what would make that 0? -2. So we're going to use -2 and put it in our box, and then we have 1. What's
1, -3, and 2.
Oh, what's right here though?
Oh, what? 0, 0.
Yeah, 1, 0, -3, and 2. Okay, so we're going to bring down the 1.
Yeah. 1, so -2, 0. No, yeah, -2, 0. Here.
No, -2 times -2.
Positive. What?
Yeah.
Then 1.
1.
Negative.
0. And now all we have to do is the x method.
Listen, I just got out from the FSA.
I know, I just thought people would enjoy seeing you, right?
No.
Yes, see?
Everybody? No, mister.
Look, if we did an x, what two numbers multiply to be 1 and add to be -2?
Ah, no sé. 1, -1.
And
Yeah, negative.
yeah. So our answers are x minus 1, x minus 1, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's what goes in the box. X minus 1 and x
Okay.
minus box.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's
Not too bad, right?
No?
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah, mister,
Okay,
that's
we're going to do the same thing with this one.
it. Okay.
Okay.
So it's -2.
Uh-huh.
So we put 1 to 0, -8, -6.
Perfect, perfect,
Put down the 1. It's -2, 0,
perfect.
-2. No. Yeah, 0, 0, 0, -8. 16 and 0.
Perfect. And we get x to the third minus 8. This video is going to go to all the classes, Maria. Maria, I'm making you go next. Because of that, I'm making you go next.
Mister,
All right.
why you told me that I'm your favorite student? I can't be in a video like that.
Like this?
Yes.
But do you want people to see you?
No, I don't want it. Mister,
You're
I
going to be
look
so
like...
famous.
No, I look like I just got out from, I don't know, from death.
Okay. I'm going to give you the rest of this.
Okay, yes. Yes. Mister, what is that?
It's, all right. Well, it's because it's a difference of cubes, 2 cubes. It follows this formula right here. So it follows this formula. So we plug it in because 8 is 2 cubed. And then we get x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 4. That's the only one like that, though. All right. So this is Maria, everyone. All right. So we're given our polynomial. This is our polynomial. And then we're given that x plus 2 is a factor. So if x plus 2 is a factor, what could we plug in that we know works? What makes x plus 2 equal 0? -2. So we're going to put -2 in our box, and then we'll put all of our coefficients down. We bring down the 1, right? 1 times -2. -1 minus 2. -2 times -3 times -2. 6.
It's times always.
It's plus here. So -4. And then it's times. So +8, right?
Wait.
-4 times -2.
Oh, positive.
+8. And then we get x squared minus 3x minus 4.
Oh, I couldn't get it.
Okay. What two numbers multiply to be -4 but add to be -3?
Wait. 4 and 1.
-4 and 1. So our answer is x minus 4 and x plus 1. Not too bad, right? Alright. Alright, everyone. This is Andrea. She's going to help us with the next couple. So here we have a polynomial, and we know one of its factors is x minus 3. If one of the factors is x minus 3, what do we know would work? Instead of -3.
Plus 3.
Plus 3. We're going to do synthetic division. So what numbers will go here? Do you remember? It's been longer for her.
1, 1, 5.
Perfect. And we bring down the 1. 1 times 3?
It's 3. And then 2. And then 6. And then 1. And then 3. And then 0.
Ooh! And what's nice now is we get x squared plus 2x plus 1. And all we have to do is the x method. What two numbers multiply to be 1 but add to be 2?
1.
Perfect. So our answer is x plus 1 and x plus 1. And that was it for that one. You want to try this one?
Okay. Is this going to be shown to people? Okay. Basically, where'd it go? Is this it?
Yeah.
Okay, x is negative 5
You
here.
can use space too if you want.
Okay, so we take negative 5 and we plug it in, and then we do synthetic division, and that's how we got 0. So that's 0.
Alright, well, hopefully you see how we got 0. We skipped a few steps there. But what's our depressed equation?
It's
X squared minus 3x minus 18.
Yeah, I agree with that.
So now, what two numbers multiply to be negative 18 but add to be negative 3?
Negative 6. No. Negative 6 and 9. Yeah. Oh, 3.
So what's our answer?
X minus. Wait.
X minus 6?
Yeah, x minus 6 and x plus 3.
Perfect. Okay. Do you want to keep trying or do you want? No?
Wait, I can do this. I can do this.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Mhm.
Ready? Alright.
Oh, hold on. My mom's calling me. Okay, and I'm back. Wait, no, it's still not working. Okay, yeah. So we have x equals 4, so we use 4 to synthetically divide. So you have 1, negative 6, 0, and 32, because the x is gone. And then you go down 1, and then you add 4, and then you subtract 8, and then you subtract 32, and you got 0, and then you make your depressed equation, which is just like these bottom numbers, and then you factor it. So multiplies to negative 8, adds to negative 2, you have negative 4 and 2, and that's your answer. Okay. Next one is the same thing. Yep. I don't know how to work a computer, so I hope you figured that problem out on your own, by yourself. You can go back and pause the video. Okay, so we're finding the greatest common factor here. So we're going to factor it. Negative 16 is 8. You get negative 4, negative 4. So you have b times b minus 4 times b minus 4 equals 0. So you plug those in separately to 0, and you get b equals 0 and b equals 4. You're going to do p over q for this part. Yeah. So you find the factors of 4 for p, and the factors of 3 for q and u. Then you put it as p over q, and then you find their greatest common factors, and that's your answer. Yep. Like, yeah. Okay. There you go. How many? Okay. We're on slide 39. Okay. So you're finding the zeros again. So you just do the same thing. You do P over Q, and then you kind of just like simplify the fractions. That's all you do. See? You're doing the same thing again. P over Q, factors of negative 15, factors of negative positive 1, negative negative 1. Put them over each other, and you got all whole numbers because the denominator is 1. You do the same thing here.
Hey everyone, it's me again. So for these, it's similar to the ones that Andrea just did with you. We are going to do P over Q. In this case, our P is 24 and our Q is 1. So factors of 24, there's quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Luckily, factors of 1 is just 1. So our factors are just going to be all the numbers that we listed for our P. So you're just going to plug all the ones that you see in from your choices. And that's it. That's the final question. I hope you guys are having a good time without me. I wish you the best on the quiz. Don't forget to show your work. It's I'll have you turn in your work, but I hope it goes well. Don't be afraid to message me if you need anything. I'm probably currently in the middle of the TSA stuff, but I'll probably be by my laptop a lot to check in on how you're all doing. Hope you're doing well. See you soon. Bye.
And have a great day. That's Jurassic Park. Yeah.